Wait, how much? How much? Have you ever wondered what it's truly like to live in the prestigious community of Stonebridge Ranch in McKinney? And most importantly, what is the cost? Well, buckle up because you are in for a revealing ride today. Hey guys, Amanda Rivard, local McKinney, Texas realtor here. And if you aren't familiar with Stonebridge Ranch, it is massive. At over 5,000 square feet, this sprawling master planned community with a mix of both residential and recreational spaces literally has it all. Stonebridge has over 70 plus different villages within it, right here in the heart of McKinney. It is highly noted for its golf courses, parks, and active lifestyle amenities. Some of those amenities include a lake trail, tons of biking and walking trails, a beach and tennis club, aquatic center, country club and golf course, and pickleball courts, just to name a few. The best part is that there are diverse housing options catering to various preferences and multiple price ranges, which we're about to hop into. And next week, I'm going to give you a tour of a stunning home in Stonebridge, and it's priced at $725,000. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. You'll be happy to know there's a pretty extensive range of property prices within the 75 villages in Stonebridge. The lowest priced home right now is $420,000 and the highest priced is $2.9 million, and there are many in between. So get in where you fit in and let's check two of these out. Listed at $429,000, we have this charming home in Fountain View. Let's also check out this mega mansion that is listed for $2.9 million in Kings Lake, which is right there by Adriatica. The average home price for homes listed right now within Stonebridge is around the $660,000 mark. Over the years, you can see how this has changed. Initially, the average sold price was in the mid $200,000 range for a home and has, over the past 10 years, crept up to over 3 times that value. Just in 10 years. And that is a great place to put your money because it is such a desirable area. Now let's talk about your HOA fees. It's going to vary greatly just depending on which village of Stonebridge you're in and the amenity access you have. The low end, you're looking at about $450 a year, and on the high end, like on that $2.9 million bad boy I just showed you, you are looking at a little over $3,000 per year. The higher priced ones typically are due to the guarded and gated entrances. Okay, so let's jump into property taxes, which if you don't know are on the high side nationwide here in Texas. We don't have an individual income tax, however, so it does help offset higher property taxes. Now, McKinney recently did just lower our property taxes. Yay! Let's have a look at the property tax rate here in McKinney. Now, what's another big expense for people who gravitate towards this community? Well, typically it's for you fans of golf. If you want to join the Stonebridge Ranch Country Club, you are looking at an initiation fee of anywhere from $10,000 to $25,000, and then your dues are going to be anywhere from $5,000 to $10,000 annually. There's several different types of memberships, which is why there's a large variation on the fees. So there you have it, folks. Stonebridge Ranch in McKinney has a ton to offer and caters to pretty much every price range as a home buyer. These homes will continue to appreciate over the years due to the desirability of the area. So now that you have the inside scoop on the cost of living in Stonebridge Ranch McKinney, you are better equipped to make informed decisions on your own. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more valuable insights and share with anyone considering calling Stonebridge Ranch their home. If you do have any questions, feel free to reach out. I would be happy to help you. And until next time, guys, see you later.